Welcome to ROVA Mobility. Today we're going to show you just how quick and easy it is to unwrap your ROVA scooter and start your adventures. First, grab the size 14 spanner provided on top of the box. Carefully cut away the plastic wrap and remove the outer cardboard box. Next, use the spanner to undo the frame bolts and take off the protective steel casing. Carefully cut the 3 tie-down straps. Now switch on the ignition and set the scooter to the slowest speed mode. Stand beside the scooter and gently drive it off the pallet. It's recommended that a helper assist by lifting the lighter front end as you will drive it off the pallet. If you need to dispose of the frame and pallet, you can take them to your local waste or recycling facility or check with your local council about curbside collection services. Now simply install the mirrors like so. Screw in the thread and tighten the nut. Have a quick read of the startup guide and you'll be ready for your first ride. Take your time on the first few rides, go slowly and build confidence as you get comfortable with your new scooter. The battery charger is always included and is in the back storage compartment. And the charging port is under the steering console. Before delivery, our nationwide courier will give you a call to confirm your availability and you can let them know exactly where you'd like it to be placed. Thank you for watching and we look forward to delivering your ROVA Mobility scooter to your door very soon.